Yes, welcome to the Jamaica Young Police channel. To our loyal viewers, subscribers and Patreon members. At the channel, we are a group of law-abiding citizens who believe in the rule of law and respect the rights of every citizen, but not the ones who do not subscribe to such behavior. We do believe in and support preemptive strikes because they save lives. Yes, preemptive strikes save lives. This is a logical conclusion because preemptive strikes save lives and prevent the further loss of lives. We are all about saving lives on this channel. We at the Jamaica Young Police channel hate criminals with a passion. Yes, we hate criminals with a passion and do not want them over here. We do not want your views, subscriptions, your likes or your comments. Please go elsewhere where the red carpets awaits you. Over here, we want you to go to prison or the departure lounge at Madden. If this is the first time here at the Jamaica Young Police channel, we highly recommend subscribing to stay updated with our latest content. Hit the subscription button above. Click the bell icon and select all to receive notifications whenever we at the Jamaica Young Police channel release a video. Remember that this channel is not a sympathetic channel for criminals. You must go elsewhere if you want a criminal sympathizer channel. Remember to give this video a thumbs up because you will find it helpful and informative. Please remember to share the video with your mama, your papa, mommy, daddy, and girlfriend, boyfriend, neighbor, side chick, side man, and your co-worker. Yes. Remember to share the video. And tell a friend to tell a friend about the Jamaica Young Police channel. That we at this channel, we hate criminals with a passion and we don't want them to go to prison. We have lots more of videos that are not on YouTube. You can join the Patreon squad. By doing so, you'll be able to gain access to exclusive content that cannot be played on YouTube due to various restrictions. To unlock this on top collection of videos, click the link in the description box below. Join our Patreon community allows you to explore content that complies with laws, rules, regulations while avoiding disruption of our channel's functionalities. Moving on to today's video. Yes, as usual, we always say, to watch a thumbnail whenever we, about to start a video. And today this video is, one that is really hard, it's heartbreaking. Although it happened, months ago, but it only goes to show you that we don't know what kind of training these police officers are getting out of this National Police College of Jamaica. You understand? But one thing I know that these police, they are not well trained. Yes, these police are internet police, or TikTok police, or Instagram police, because they don't understand the seriousness and the gravity of being a police officer. And complacency will cost you your life. Yes, you can't be complacent when you're a police officer. You always have to be on the alert. And although I am not a police officer anymore, even when I'm on the street, I can tell you that I am a person who pays keen attention to my surrounding. Yes, I don't play with my surrounding. I pay keen attention to it, and I'm always on the alert. So today we're going to talk about a policeman who was attacked. I won't say attacked. Yes, he was. He's a distracted cop. Disarmed, robbed, and shot by a madman during a traffic stop. I don't know how that happened, but hey, in my days, that couldn't happen. I'm telling you. And the reason being that could not happen because, you see, how we were taught and trained at the Jamaica Police Academy. in my time is that the firearm, you protect that with your life. The only time you're supposed to lose the firearm, unless you're dead. It's as simple as that. Yeah, so that's why even one of my schoolmates and my squad, his name is Howard Dixon. May his soul rest in peace. That's why he was killed. Not, and even although he was killed, he died valiantly. But if he had used the training that he had used, he would be here to the day. Yeah, because I had personally experienced something similar to that in Portmore. I'm not gonna talk here. And the end result was totally different in the night. Yes, it was totally different because I had used my training. Yes, I was coming from over by Swaby. Yes, and people who know Swaby, and you understand. And it was a total different outcome for me because I had used my training. So when they were trying to do what they did to him, they tried it, and that happened before it happened to him. That was years before. And I reacted totally different. I used my training and how I was taught how to operate as a policeman walking in the dark. You understand? So what happened to him, why he was killed, is because he did not put his training in practice. So that's why, you see when you're in class, everything, especially when it comes onto your life, you pay attention to detail. That's why what happened to him, that couldn't happen to me. It could have, but I used my training, so you understand. Yeah, that's how it works. So distracted cop, disarmed, robbed and shot by a madman during a traffic stop. So in a shocking incident on January 10th, 2024, along Maxfield Avenue, a police constable, we're not gonna name his name, but you're gonna see his photograph. Because I want to show you, say, joker police. Yeah, I mean, so I'm gonna tell you, say, my joker. A police constable was disarmed. We have his name and everything, but we're not going to put his name up there. But we just want them colleague them to know that him a joker police. You feel make a man disarm. And another thing too, I may tell the little dummy police them and them thing. You see, all of you police will have your guns like some cowboy all the way down. I can tell you this. And those of you who are listening and have sense, and I say it already, I said it like 3 times already. I have been trained by some of the best firearm instructor in the United States of America, maybe even in the world. Yes, at Yakima. Yeah, man. Yakima, and that's where even the Navy SEAL them go and train to. And all of the special forces people them in the military, one shot, one kill. That's where you go. You understand what I'm saying? Yakima Apartheid, or Coronado base in California. I used to station close to there. That's where the Navy SEAL them train. That's where they're based at, in California. And I can tell you that, you see, the police officers who are carrying their gun close to their knee, it takes you 5 to 10 seconds more for you to reach that gun, not even to pull it out, to reach it. And you know that when you come onto your life, it takes seconds. So when you're having you wearing your gun, the government issue gun down there, you're just giving away your life. I am telling you that. 5 to 10 seconds. When I was, been trained to go to Iraq, you understand, and because they use various handguns in the United States military. I'm just educating you guys. And one of the best handgun is the Beretta, and you have the 45, but the Beretta now is the handgun of choice that they use, and they teach you. And not only that, they make you use different holster in your uniform, but they not only them time you. One thing I can't tell you. Them have in the military, them have indoor, them have outdoor range, them have all kind of things. I tell you, real life scenario what I tell you about it. Everything at me like it's real. And when they did all of their because that everything with the military and Uncle Sam is data driven. So they show you the evidence why you don't carry your gun like that. All of these things are movie things that in a real life that will cost you your life. So all of you young police officers who are having your gun below your waist, wrong move. You're giving your life. Tell you that. Seconds, your life, fractions of a second. You understand? Yeah, some shootout last less than even a minute. Yeah, may I tell you, cause you're dead. I just saw it go. You understand? So we'll continue moving on. So in the shocking incident on January 10th, 2024 along Maxwell Avenue, a police constable was disarmed, robbed, and repeatedly shot by a man believed to be mentally ill. Let me say a madman. A madman do that, you know. So this troubling event raises serious questions about officers' conduct and adherence to safety protocol. The consequences of distraction, a call for vigilance in law enforcement in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. So as you have learned that this dramatic event, this dramatic and dangerous event turn, when the constable, distracted and unaware of his surroundings, was disarmed and shot multiple times by a man believed to be mentally ill. Oh, you make a madman disarm you and take and shot you. You're lucky you ain't dead. So this incident, which left the officer seriously injured, underscore a critical issue within the Jamaica Constabulary Force and law enforcement community in Jamaica. The dangerous consequences of distraction and complacency on the job. So accountability and partners' role. Normally, so it was 2 police officers out there. You understand? So the actions of the disarmed officer's partner also warrant scrutiny. Why did the partner fail to intervene effectively in such critical moment? The partner's inability to protect their colleague and respond to the threat suggests severe lapse in judgment and duty. It's raising the question, should the partner be arrested and charged for failing to act? In the military, and them thing there, you will get all in trouble with that too. I tell you, if you feel, that is called negligence. Yeah, man, if evidence is there, you got a court martial and you're going to brig. I saw it go on them thing there, I tell you, if you feel for act. In my time on them thing there, the police was say, you get kicked out of the force of that. Straight. Immediately, them put up an interdiction investigator and them take it to all court inquiry and kick you out. Because you're not ready for it. Police work involving risk, life and death. So you're supposed to be your matters keeper. So the root of the problem, distraction and negligence. The incident highlights a disturbing trend of distraction and complacency among some law enforcement officers in Jamaica. We have seen even video where for 90 minutes and a half or 3 where the media house is assured 4 police officers and for the entire 90 minutes they were on their cell phone. So there's supposed to be some rules in the police force where police officers are not supposed to be on their phone unless it's like a Bluetooth. Even when I was there as a police officer on phone, I used to have Bluetooth because I don't put the phone at my ears. Reason being, put the phone at your ears is, it will affect your brain. So I never, so for all these years, I have always had a Bluetooth. Even when I was in Jamaica, when Bluetooth just came out, it came out with Motorola first. It's long and all kind of thing. You understand? So in an era where officers might be preoccupied with technology or routine tasks, the essential principle of constant vigilance is often neglected. The negligence can have catastrophic consequences, as vividly demonstrated in this incident. So the incident unfolding around 3:30 during peak traffic hours. According to an eyewitness, the officers had stopped a taxi for a traffic violation. When the attacker approached and disarmed one of them, the man walked up and disarmed him, then started shooting the next policeman. So he disarmed one and shoot the other one. So I want him disarm him shoot, I want to have the other gun him shoot. So what him do? Then him disarm and then start shoot the next policeman. So passengers in the taxi started screaming and it was pure chaos. The witness recounts the officer's lack of situation awareness allowed the assailant to take control of the situation, putting not only the officers but the public in grave danger. And police are worthless. So the root of the problem, distraction and complacency. This police, them lack, these police, you know, they are internet police officers. This incident highlights a concerning trend among law enforcement officers who, distracted by technology or routine, fail to maintain the necessary vigilance required for their roles. In the era of internet police officers, where officers might be preoccupied with digital tasks or overconfident due to routine assignments, the critical principle of constant awareness is often neglected. This negligence can lead to dire consequences, as vividly demonstrated in this incident. Reflected on past standards and accountability. In earlier days, such a breach of protocol would have had severe repercussion. Yeah, man, may I tell you, in my days, severe, you're in a problem, man. As a former police officer, I can attest that allowing oneself to be disarmed due to distraction would be met with severe disciplinary action. Careless, negligence, and lack of situational awareness were grounds for immediate reprimand and potentially even dismissal. The expectation was clear. An officer's primary duty is to remain alert and prepare to ensure their safety and that of the public. The need for enhanced training and vigilance. To prevent future incidents like this, we must refocus on the fundamentals of policing. Rigorous situational awareness training. Officers must train continuously to hone their situational awareness skills. This includes understanding the importance of remaining alert, recognizing potential threats, and responding quickly and effectively to unexpected situation. In my days and them thing, even though we know say as police, you know, people love and respect we and them thing, you still not take things for granted. But these young police officers, them boy, I don't know. I don't know, it's because of the Indicom Act, them just complacent and like them not care. But if you understand it now, one life you have in my brothers and my sisters. You understand it? I want to when them teach you at training school, you better 12 man try you than 6 man carry you. If that policeman, the other one, if he was on the alert, from the man take away the policeman gun, you know, one shot, one kill, straight to the departure line. But him distracted. Him supposed to him supposed to watch everything. Not only your matty, but the people them in a taxi, because you know say gunman travel in a taxi and them thing in a town that you know. Everywhere Jamaica on a town. All country a town, because people are country say them are ghetto people. I don't know how them come by, but that's a one new thing. When people proud say them come from ghetto, when me I go, me afraid for you, me shame to tell people say me come from ghetto, cause from you understand, cause from you tell people that the first thing I tell you, you know, I forecast your future. They might tell you how you're going to have cut in your face, or you're going to jail, and that them used to do, you know. So true that you don't want to tell nobody, say, boy, you know, you come from the belly of the beast. I tell you. That's how them used to go and treat you, especially country people, them. Yeah, so establishing clear accountability standards is crucial. Officers must understand that distractions and complacency have serious consequences. Regular evaluations and strict adherence to protocol reinforce the importance of vigilance. Balancing technology use. While technology plays a vital role in modern policing, it must not come at the expense of an officer's awareness of their immediate environment. Training programs should emphasize the proper use of technology without compromising on field alertness. You always have to be on the alert. You understand? Hey, look. The other day I saw a video of a policeman with struggling with 3 men. You know, about 2 o'clock in the morning. That shouldn't happen. I mean, I tell you what happened on them thing there. You understand? I'm not gonna say weird. I mean, I tell the policeman, I talk to a soap the other day on them thing there. That's why I tell you, we in our kind of policing when I take check. Alright, so well, the detective them will investigate that case or remember on them thing there, you know, with me. So one night, even family member didn't have my vehicle and them thing there. So normally, you know, on a Sunday and them thing there, I always full up my car tank and them thing there before I go work. And you want to always make sure you have gas in your car, and you understand. So when I drive, normally in time, even when I come from work and them thing, I drive past my yard and them thing that, yeah, I stop. I drive, so it all depends on the night, time and night, and I drive past my yard and make some circle, and you understand? I make sure say, yeah, everything is alright. That's how we are trained. So so this night, when I drive past me yard, say a figure, yeah man, yard and them thing now come out and have me browning, right behind me, and call out, and yeah, the dude, yeah man, and I just saw it one of them thing there. Man, I'm not fighting with the guy and them something there. 3 guy now, sir. Yeah man. I just saw it one of them thing there. So police, you know, take chance on them thing, man. That the police said with the 3 boy them where fight. That's all man will on you. No. In 2 o'clock, you mad man. Any man who you see any police I use a man for a road 2 o'clock near your yard and you're a police. You know no man is supposed to a tussle. Them the 3 man is supposed to die departure lunch. Period. Cause number one, hey look, from you station and you say police put on up in the ear and a man start shuffle. Yeah man, you're supposed to blaze. How you mean? I saw you got them thing there. You understand? You have to protect yourself. You there fight with man, you're lucky. And about say boy you're training and this and that. That may tell so them are training for go in life. Yeah, whenever train them we're there. Yeah, so moving on. So training programs should emphasize the proper use of technology without compromising on-field alertness. So community and officers safety, ensure the safety of both officers and the community should be paramount. A distracted officer not only endangers themselves but also the public. They are sworn to serve, protect and reassure the public. And not only that too, but as a detective now, your job is to prevent and detect crime. Yeah, that's a total. Well, not anymore in Jamaica. Your job is to prevent and detect crime. So when you say prevent crime, you're supposed to be out there as a detective and you see a man about to commit a crime and you stop him. You understand? Yeah. So you understand? And by the next way, you prevent a man knows it. Because after a while, criminal, they know the detective vehicle from the station. You understand? So that's how you use to prevent crime. Because when them see a vehicle and a man see your vehicle pass and him feel comfortable and come out, by the time him come out, you that again. Bingo. And I just saw it go on them thing there, yeah. So you have to use different patterns. So you just pass and then all the next half an hour, a man see you again. You pass and you go around the road. When you realize, I saw gunman stay, yeah, because say, oh, them gone. Them feel say, now come back and you just beeline upon them. Yeah. I just saw it go on them thing there. You want a boy a scamp and you know what I'm saying? Yeah, so a distracted officer, is a threat, is a threat to themselves. So emphasizing the gravity of this responsibility can help instill culture of vigilance. So this incident is a stark reminder of essential qualities required in law enforcement: constant vigilance, situational awareness, and commitment to public safety. By addressing distraction and complacency, we can strive to prevent such tragedies in the future. Law enforcement agencies must prioritize training and accountability to ensure that officers are always prepared to handle the unpredictable nature of their duties. Only through such measures can we honor the responsibility trusted to our officers and ensure the safety of our communities. So this narrative emphasizes the importance of vigilance and accountability in law enforcement, urging enhanced training and measures to prevent future incidents caused by distraction and complacency. A shocking turn of events, the need for enhanced public safety measures. You understand? So just remember that this happened on January 10th. What began as a routine traffic stop along Maxwell Avenue spiraled into a harrowing shooting incident, highlighting critical concern about public safety and mental health. So during this traffic stop, a man reportedly have unsound mind, a madman, disarmed the officer, shot his colleague multiple times before fleeing into a Richmond Park community with the stolen service pistol. That in a half a tree, Richmond Park, a big, back then it was uptown and them thing. They look they're close to you get but people are not. But you see, because them place was a thoroughfare, all kind of thing we happen this one them thing there. You understand? So the incident unfolded, as we know about. We tell you already. Some people say, "Oh, you love to repeat things," and you understand. It happened 3:30 on January 10th. You understand? So so what happened on them thing there? As them say, it was pure chaos. The shooter seemed intent on ending the officer's life, pursuing him as he saw it cover. So the police say, him a shooting him have gun, and guess what? All now him the fire back a shot. Him the fire back at what about this police? May I tell you? Him the fire back a shot the one a madman. Yeah man, the madman walk up, disarm him, then start shooting the next policeman. So other policeman him have gun, and him, him the fire back, the shooter see him intent on ending the officer's life, pursuing him as he saw it cover. So immediate response and search efforts. The attacker fled the scene, eventually entering a nearby school compound before escaping into the community. So normally in them community and them thing, hey, something I go on, I tell you, people them a call 119 and them a tell control, whisper the boy there. I don't know how people never call, never tell control what was happening. So witness description led to a man, but the suspect remained at large. So the injured policeman assigned to the public safety and traffic enforcement branch was rushed to Kingston Public Hospital by the very motorist he had initially stopped. He was admitted and treated for his injury. Hey, I rush hospital that me. Them say I best, but I rush hospital to me and them thing, the KPH. No sir, too much corals down at the place, and yeah, anything can go up or use him. Would I rather if it dead up there than me. A low case, KPH are better hospital, them say, cause I best in the Caribbean. If KPH are best hospital in the Caribbean, I don't want to see yours, believe you me. You got KPH and them thing, you come like you're mad, you're inside the smell, me I tell you, believe you me. You understand? And like in America when you go to a hospital, it's like you're in a business place. It does smell nice. In Jamaica, when you go to KPH, you know say hospital there because it smell of Dettol, and me I tell you, and I mean, know them do it. So in a subsequent development, so less than a week after January, the stolen firearm was recovered from the same madman in Richmond Park community. The police were alerted when the man was spotted with the weapon. So during a struggle with officers, the gun fell from the man's waistband, and it was revealed that it was a Glock pistol contained 9 live rounds. Further investigation uncovered that the suspect had a mental outpatient card indicating his ongoing mental health issues. He was taken into custody without further incident. So reflection and call to action. So this incident underscored the urgent need for comprehensive measures to enhance public safety and address mental health issues within our communities. The ability of mentally ill individual to disarm an officer and commit such a violent act reveals significant vulnerabilities in our current systems. So here are 3 keys areas that require immediate attention. As we say over here, so we don't just tell you things, but we always things where you can remedy what is happening. Enhance officer training. The Jamaica Constabulary Force must receive advanced training to effectively handle the situation. So the Jamaica Constabulary Force police officers, they must receive advanced training to effectively handle the situation involving individual with mental health issues. Why whenever they train for deal with that, And I can tell you that even one time about 94, a madman, injured 3 people down by Free Zone, and we had a standoff close to 4 hours. Police come and big, I tell you say, down by Free Zone, both sides of the cars we locked down, and everybody, cause people are drama and them thing, and people are watching them some people want to kill him, but it was, yours truly and Bobby. Because we prevent him from injuring anybody else. You understand? And the people them were rushed to the hospital. Not life-threatening injury, but him did mad still. And police come and them want, I tell you, everybody want to kill him. And I said, no, just leave it. I will talk to him. For almost 4 hours till him give up the machete. And we able to put him in a police vehicle and we came to Bellevue. And, you know, the man, you know, about a couple months after that, him recover fully and them thing there. And, you understand? Although he was charged, but because I did mental problem and them thing there, you know, the people they're not in, they turn up a court and I just saw it go on them thing there. So I know every incident because a man mad and them thing there, you know. So just like how in that one, with the police, they never kill him, you know. But hey, him lucky. You understand? They never teach we in Jamaica concert how to deal with mad people because we are not psychiatrists or psychologists. Psychologists. Yeah, you understand? So, enhanced training you have to deal with people. You know, people have mental problem. Trust me, none of, as them say, you don't know what is going through a person's mind. You can't see it, and you have to give credit. You have to give credit and credence to the people. Them, the psychiatrists and psychologists, will treat them these people because remember, you know, people are mad, you know. You don't know what's going on in their mind, you know. Yeah, may I tell you that? Me have a virgin on them thing now. When I say virgin, me used to partner when we play domino and them thing. And me I tell you, say, when me hear say the man mad, me never believe. Until in time, me see the man one day, me I drive and see him walk. And me say, I could have called the man name from now till next year. And now the man look for me. And this is a man me used to play domino, you know. You don't know, you know, you play domino and you play for whether beer or water, you understand what I'm saying? And to me, he's a good domino player. I tell him, man, I call the man from now till next year. And I like to say the man, and the man, all the man get mad, you know, and I'm mad the man there because I did weed them smoking, you know. I go, who man mad all the man there, you know, man. I tell you, you know, gone. I tell me, you know, some man take it so serious and all them things there. You understand? So, we in Jamaica and them thing there, you know, them not teach you how to deal with people with mental health issues, you understand? So you have to just use your initiative and how to deal with them because some mad people violent, but you know, yeah, because you know, you understand what I'm saying? You know, a policeman at St. James wanted him lose him 2-1 make a madman chop off him 2-1. A madman that him a madman. No, I mean, I do that and them thing. I want him start advance and anything, but unfortunately, you know, but give God thanks. We never harm a person who have mental health problem ever in our police force because people like them there, we give God thanks and them thing there. Because we're very sympathetic or empathetic when it comes on to these people. You don't know what they're going through. We'll tell you. Yeah, and we love them. We love every human being. So mental health support and monitoring, strengthening mental health services and ensuring continuous support and monitoring for individuals with known issues is critical. This incident highlights the need for a robust system to track and manage those requiring mental health interventions. Community engagement and awareness, building strong community relations and awareness program can be crucial in preventing such incidents. Educating the public about recognizing signs of mental distress and how to seek help can foster a more supportive environment. So this tragic incident or event, you know, serve as a stark reminder of the complexities faced by law enforcement and the broader community. It's called for a collaborative effort to fortify our public safety measures and provide the necessary support for mental health. We can work together towards a safer, more resilient society by addressing these challenges head on. So, you know, and we have said this to all young police officers, always be on the alert. Don't be complacent. Don't take things for granted. Not because you are police, that is not an insulator for protect you out on the street. Don't be distracted. Put down the phone. The phone can't wait, man. If you want to use a phone, make sure you have a Bluetooth. I like when I was in a military and everything, you can't walk with a Bluetooth in a uniform, in a military uniform. Yeah, man, them charge you departmentally. And that'll go on your military record. You understand? You can't do that. You can't talk with your phone in your uniform. You can't have your phone. You can't talk with your phone in a uniform. But that's supposed to be like in a secure place. Like if you know a building, but you can't walk in your uniform and bow you up on the phone and talk. You're crazy. Not even with Bluetooth. You get your man, them write you up, man. You understand? Because I just saw it go. You know, it's called discipline. So you know, you understand. So the addiction also people have with this phone thing and them distracted. A serious thing. That's why you have so many problems out there. So I hope you enjoy the program today. So have yourself a beautiful day. And police, look man, if you not taking care of yourself and you're matty out there. When we say matty, that means your partner. Because we don't even know if them teach police officers even these things anymore, because it seems like even that is lacking XP the core with the police officers then. Because I see a woman with she had a corrosion the other day and police just leave her there, make sure if you have a fight with the all corrobonkers. You have to love each other, man. XP the core. And that's how we learn when back in our days and them thing. Be a brother's keeper. We know say in the command the criminal rights group, them want to say you at the mark and the criminals them on a pedestal and them have murals in them community. Just remember, it's hard, we know say it's hard to be a police officer in a Jamaica in this day and age, especially with technology. Because things that you that might do and the consequence will not be that severe. It's totally different now, because everything now is internet driven. So as something happen, it just go viral and the criminal them know how to splice thing and dice thing and them thing, you understand? Until you come out with the real facts, say counter them. But I say with police, don't be naive, just stay focused and just do what is right. So have yourself a beautiful day. Jamaica Young Police Channel out.